butter. Let those onions and stuff get to boiling and cooking in. Seasoning cooking there real good. Ready to eat, guys. Look at that. Good campfire meal right there. So guys, that's one of my quick campfire meal ideas. And actually, I did forget something. I was gonna bring an egg. I was gonna put an egg in it and have a little meat up in it, but I forgot. So, but adding the egg is a good extra for sure. So let's give it a taste and see what she tastes like. It is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Max, you hanging around the food? Oh yeah, buddy. This is actually my I've cooked this at home before, similar to this, but I've never done it on the campfire. This is my first time, so, but I've been wanting to do this. I've been thinking, hey, this is a good, quick, easy little trail meal. Give it a shot, see how it turns out. I will be doing this again when we go out, that's for sure. It's delicious. Everybody says that, don't they? Max says he's my best friend right now. For sure. Okay. Go. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was just a quick little camp cooking idea. Something that's quick and easy, lightweight, get you out there on the trail. Decent meal. Like I said, you can add an egg to that, and you could add other things if you wanted to, some meat. But yeah, that's a good, quick, easy meal. I don't think, but it took a couple minutes to fix. Really didn't. So if you enjoyed the video, found any of that information valuable at all, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.